Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we are starting with the sample exam 1 questions. As always, you will get your files in the Office Master 19 YouTube channel. So I have my file Coffee.xlsx spreadsheet open. So the first question is we need to go into cell A1. So I'm going to click into A1. I need to import something there, so we need to go to data. We need to go to from text /CSV, click on that. Then we need to navigate to our folder. Okay, so just bear with me. I'm going to go to desktop. I'm going to go into my folder. Bear with me while I go into my folder. And I'm going to go into exam preparations, sample exams, sample exam 1, and we need to import the locations.txt file. So just bear with me while that loads up. So that's now loading up. Now the most important thing is not to click on the load button, but on the drop down arrow and select load to. So just give that a second. Then we need to put the dot in existing worksheet and make sure it says A1, which it does. Now click OK. So now it's going to just import into this sheet. So I'm just going to X out of that. So now I'm in the sheet. Question 2 then is to insert a hyperlink into A4. So I click into A4, I go to insert, I go to link, I go to insert link, and in here I type in https www.costireland.ie, and then I have a screen tip of good coffee. So I'm just going to type in good coffee in here. Just bear with me when I type that in. So good coffee, and then click OK, and then click OK again. Okay, the next part of the questions is to ensure that the header row is exactly 16 points. So you click on the number 1 to highlight the header row. You go to home, you go to format, row height, and you type in 16 in there. So I put in 16 and then click OK. So now the next question then is to modify the workbook property so that the property is leisure. So the tag is leisure. Go to File, Info. Here under tags, you type in leisure, L-E-I-S-U-R-E, and press enter. And then I'm just going to click on back then again. And now the final question, question 5, is to set the print area. So we need to set it from A1 to D5. So highlight A1 to D5, go to page layout, go to set print area. So print area and then set print area, click on that. And now that's the final question then. So that's project 1 in sample exam 1. And we'll see you shortly for project 2 in sample exam 1, and thanks for watching and take care.